What's up, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. I hope you guys are blessed. You guys are well. I've been away for a minute, but I'm back again. This is yours truly, man. So, as always, I'm always updating my stuff and improving on the craft, which is the most important thing. One of the most important things, rather. So, let me just before I go anywhere, let me give you guys a heads up. Like my mentees, my phone is off today. I'll only start receiving your messages and start answering back tomorrow, Sunday, because every one of my mentees, we have got a live session tomorrow. It's a combined session. Then from Monday, we continue with the allocated sessions. Okay. But in any case, man, I just wanted to come here back again and show you guys that, let me just choose any pair. Okay, well, let me go to my favorite pair, GBP and ZT. You see over there. I mean, this coming week, guys, I'll be calling these moves out to my mentees. I think starting from Tuesday up until Friday, I'm gonna be trading with you guys. As a way for me to, try and push some of you who are still lacking with confidence. Same stuff, guys. Same stuff. Same stuff. Same stuff. I couldn't have entered there. I might have entered, but same stuff. It's 115 pips. Let's go check again. You see, Thursday, the low over there. The low over there. Let me put it here. Then they come back down to that area. And then they move up the market. It's the same thing, guys. Same thing over and over again. 63 pips. Same thing again on Wednesday. Okay. See that? Same thing again on Wednesday. I think for this one, I think there's a video where I did this, and I told those who were live on the session that the market was shooting up from here. Okay, they didn't shoot up and move the way I anticipated, because I'd say they can't move anything less than 90 pips, but they just moved 64 pips, which is not bad, at all. And I mean, it's the same things, guys. It's the same things over and over again. I think, yeah, I was just looking at Euro USD. You check, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. And the thing about this, I mean, people, when they look at this from the sidelines, they're thinking because the market is closed, guys. I mean, even this week, I'll be calling these moves out before they happen. I've even updated my stuff. I think if you check on my Instagram, you see that we're even trading the US 30, we're trading NASDAQ, and the stuff that we are going to be bringing to our mentees. And trust me, guys, if you're part of my team, trust me, guys, you're about to enjoy yourself, because we're bringing a lot of variables and a whole lot of nice things to help you guys be good traders, or be consistent, be profitable above all. So it is what it is, guys. Just wanted to make that an announcement. I mean, as you can see, it's a weekend today. I can't be trading or anything. I was done. I was doing a bit of preparation, and tomorrow, Sunday night, I'm back again. You'll receive a message in the afternoon, South African time, at around 3, because our session is going to start at around 6 or 7. You guys will get the notification on your WhatsApp messages. So God bless everybody. God bless the Forex Rockstar group. God bless you all, my viewers. Keep tuning in. And I'm promising you guys, I'm even trying to push and be trading live on YouTube and also on Instagram. But we'll see how it goes, guys. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.